Sour cream pound cake. Welcome to White Shadow Fare. Make it homemade and make it with love. Our ingredients: sour cream, salt, eggs, butter, baking powder, sugar, flour, and vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Get your tube pan or bundt pan ready by greasing and flouring it. In a large mixing bowl, 1 cup of butter. Get the butter broken up, sit for about 1 minute. Three cups sugar. Mix well, 1 to 2 minutes.
I can't do nothing with you.
'It's a little bit crumbly at this point, but you're going to add 6 eggs to start to get nice and creamy. You're adding your eggs one at a time and mixing in between each one. Four ounces of sour cream. One tablespoon vanilla extract. A half a teaspoon salt. And 1 teaspoon baking powder. Slowly add 3 cups of flour. Scrape down the bowl as necessary.
I can't do nothing with you.
Pour batter into prepared pan.
I can't do nothing with you.
Make sure you test your cake by sticking a toothpick in it. And notice that it's got that nice crackly top. You're going to let it cool for 15 minutes before trying to remove it from the pan. Now, even after 15 minutes, it was quite hot, so make sure you're careful. And then give it another 10 minutes and you're going to flip it and take the bottom of the tube pan off. My husband loves any kind of pound cake, and he gave this one a definite 2 thumbs up. I hope you'll give this one a try. Thank you for joining me at White Shadow Fare, and if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe.